Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2022 Ford Ranger, stock number 6145. This ran from the 6th 2015 to the 4th 2022. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P5AT 3.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front guard no dents, right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front headlight, right front door mirror, right front door one dent, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,